Ready? Say ah. Oh, okay. Here. Ah. Mmm. What do you think? Oh, he's spitting it all out. Oh. Too much. What do you think?
He doesn't know what to do with it.
Yeah, I remember Ethan was saying it just come out of his mouth.
Oh, he's just spitting it out.
You don't like it? Oh. You don't like it? Try it.
Alright, that's enough. He's not gonna eat it.
I'm just getting used to it. He likes it and doesn't complain. Yummy!
I say 90% of it is coming out.
What is this? Oh, what is this?
That rice cereal still okay to give?
What do you mean?
Almost like expired.
I just bought it like a few weeks ago. It's not the one that I gave Ethan, that's what you're thinking. Is that what you thought?
Yeah.